Now we are done discussing about the various elements of Arthur Miller's masterpiece titled Death of a Salesman. Now we proceed to the themes of our literary work. Now what do we mean when we say themes? So themes are the often fundamental and often universal ideas explored in a literary work. So in other words, themes or a theme is the main subject that is being discussed or being described in a piece of writing. Now there are three dominant themes in our literary piece, and one of these is the American Dream. Now what do we mean by American Dream? So an American dream is an American social ideal that stresses material prosperity. So what do we mean by this? So prosperity is the state of being successful, usually by making a lot of money. So American dream refers to a luxurious and prosperous life. Now how did this American dream become a theme in our story? So Willie believes wholeheartedly in what he considers the promise of the American dream. So that a well-liked and personally attractive man will acquire the material comforts offered by the modern American life. But in here, Willie's blind faith in his stunted version of the American dream leads to his rapid psychological decline when he is unable to accept the disparity between the dream and his own life. So Willie became too blinded in his American dream that it led to his rapid psychological decline. So he didn't even know the difference between his dream, the American dream, and real life. Next, we have abandonment. So Willie's life charts a course from one abandonment to the next, leaving him in greater despair each time. So Willie's father leaves him and Ben when they were still young, leaving Willie neither a tangible, which means money, his father didn't even leave him money, nor an intangible, history. So his father didn't leave him money, nor legacy. Then Ben eventually departs for Alaska, leaving Willie to lose himself in a warped version of the American dream. So after his father left him, his brother Ben also left Willie for Alaska. Likely, a result of these experiences, Willie develops a fear of abandonment, which makes him want his family to conform to the American dream. So Willie has developed a fear of abandonment, which made him want his family to conform to the American dream. So because of this series of abandonment, he became too blinded in his American dream. Next is betrayal. So Willie's primary obsession throughout the play is what he considered to be Biff's betrayal of his ambitions for him. So what do we mean by this? Willie believes that he has every right to expect Biff to fulfill the promise inherent in him. So when Biff walks out on Willie's ambitions for him, Willie takes his rejection as a personal insult. So Willie takes the rejection of Biff as a personal insult. Willie, after all, is a salesman, and Biff's ego-crushing rebuff ultimately reflects Willie's inability to sell him on the American dream, the product in which Willie himself believes most faithfully. So Willie assumed that Biff's betrayal stems out from Biff's discovery of Willie's affair with the woman, a betrayal of Linda's love. So Linda is the wife of Willie and the mother of Biff. Whereas Willie feels that Biff has betrayed him, Biff feels that Willie, a phony little fake, has betrayed him with his unending stream of ego-striking lies. So Willie felt that Biff has betrayed him, and Biff also felt that Willie